Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we are going to compare the Amazfit T-Rex versus Lemfo Lem10. As you can see, we have both of the watches here that we showed you before in our channel. We unboxed and showed you how to connect it. Also with the Lem10 we did some comparison in the past. Today we're going to compare these two smartwatches by showing you the specifics of them first, like we do always. And we are going to see the software, the menu, the option that we have in the menu. We are going to test some of these options that we can, and then we're going to discuss about the good things and bad things that they have. So let's go ahead first with a Amazfit T-Rex and come back to the Lemfo Lem10. We have now here the Amazfit T-Rex. As we said, we are going to start with this smartwatch. So we know that Amazfit T-Rex comes in 5 different colors, like rug black, gun gray, army green, camel green, and khaki. It has 12 different certifications from military. We have 20 days battery in daily using, 66 days in basic watch mode, and 12 hours in continuously GPS on. In the T-Rex we have 1.3-inch AMOLED display. Other than that, in the software we have built-in satellite GPS and 14 sport modes. Also we have 50 meters water resistance, so we can use these sports all the way up. So let's go ahead, see what we got more in the menu of T-Rex, and in that we can compare them between each other. So now that we know what the Amazfit T-Rex is capable of, we can see what we have here in the menu. So as you can see, the first page we have this beautiful red theme going here in the first page. We have the time, the weather, battery, date as well, steps here in the bottom. As you can see, we can change this face just by holding it and pressing it. And also you saw in the unboxed video we have plenty of other faces. So let's go ahead and see what we have here. Up we have the torch, power saver, do not disturb, brightness, and lock screen. We have battery, date, and weather. Down we have steps, heart rate. In the left we have notifications. Right we have the menu. In the menu, as you can see, we have status, heart rate, workout, activities, weather, music, alarm, event reminder, timer. We have countdown, find my phone, compass, and settings. So as you can see, we have quite a few options here in the Amazfit T-Rex. Let's go ahead, test some of these options that we saw in the menu, and we can compare it in the end. As you can see, now we have here the T-Rex in our hand. Let's go straight to the menu. Heart rate, we have the first option, and let's wait for some results. And we have here some first result here. As you can see, it's not so fast, but it's okay. We have, again, as I said before, this rainbow thing. It tells us the heart rate. Now we have the relaxed, and here is when we are active. Next we have workout, outdoor running, press go. Immediately it will start to measure our duration, distance, pace, heart rate here, time in the top. As you can see, you can pause and unpause with that button. Down we have more information. As you can see, we have sedence, average pace, and consumption. That is pretty good. It works perfectly. We have quite a few information about the sport, and we don't need anything else here in our watch. So that's pretty good. Until now everything is working perfectly. We have one more thing that I want to show you, and that is the compass. So this device has GPS built in, and it has compass and other stuff to make this smartwatch really reliable. So that's all that we can test here in the T-Rex. Let's bring the other smartwatch here and test them. As you can see, we have here now the Lem10, and some specifics about the Lem10 that we are going to show you or tell you are that the Lem10 comes with two different variations for memory or storage. We have 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of RAM, or 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of RAM or storage. This one that we have right here is the 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. The Lem10 is using Android 7.1 and it has Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, all this kind of stuff. It supports 4G SIM card, and we have different types of cards that we are able to put in the Lem10. Also, the GPS is used, for example, while you're hiking or doing something else that is required to be able to use it, or in case you need one to orient yourself. As you can see, we have a 1.82-inch full mount screen with 1700 polythene battery, which is enough maybe for some people in this watch, because this watch won't last more than 2 days from battery while you're using it, because it has this giant screen and it has multiple functions that drain the battery really fast. Some of our fans are not excited about this battery, but honestly, when you see the options of this smartwatch, it's wonderful what this watch is capable of. So you can see in the first page we have this beautiful colorful screen. As you can see here in the top, we have the last heart rate. Down we have steps that we did. Here in this corner we have burned calories, and in the top we have percentage of battery. In the middle we have date and time also. We can change this watch face just by pressing it and holding it. We have different ones. If you want more simple, add bright, or you have quite a few more faces and you can change them for your own preference. Also, you are able to download it more. So let's begin. Here in the left we have notifications. Up we have the taskbar. As you can see, we have time, day, date, percentage of battery, a logo of Bluetooth and SIM card. You can see that we don't have any SIM card right now because you can see the X that is right in the logo. In the right of taskbar we have some shortcuts for brightness, mobile network, location, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, do not disturb, and different things. We have cleaner and music control here, also the weather in the end. Then we have some sports data or activities data. You can see all the days of the week, and while you're using it you can see your activities in each day individually. In the right side we have the menu. As you can see here, we have quite a few apps and other things, starting from contacts, phone, messages, settings, music, downloads, calendar, browser, camera. We have gallery, clock, sound record, file manager, heart rate monitoring, fitness, weather, voice search, Play Store, and we have map, assistant, Google Translate, YouTube, system optimization, App Store, and Instagram. So in case you don't know, we have here a 2 megapixel camera. We have in the Lem10 Play Store that we can download stuff. We have Google Map, Google Translate, and we can download more stuff and more apps for us to use in daily basic. While we are using it, as you can see, we downloaded the Instagram and YouTube. So this is one benefit for the Lem10. So let's go ahead, see how these apps works, and let's test some of the options that we saw right here. And now here we have the Lem10 in our hands. As you can see, we have here the menu already open up, and we have here heart rate first. Let's go ahead and test that. As you can see, we have here the results, and we have the results that we did before. Right here we have date and time. Let's go ahead to fitness. First one is outdoor running. Press here outdoor running and press go. Immediately it will start the seconds, kilometers, blood pressure measurements, burn calories, kilometer per hour, and we have seconds per or minutes per kilometer. So you can see that these options work in the Lem10, and I don't think we have anything else to test while we are wearing it, so let's go ahead and take it off so I can show you better in this one. Let's go again to the menu, and here let's test Instagram and YouTube that we downloaded. We're going to go first in Instagram, and as you can see, we have here our profile opened up. We can see pictures and other things in Instagram, or go to the profile and see all the photos that we post. If you haven't followed us in Instagram yet, go ahead and follow. This is our Instagram. So as you can see, it really works really good. We have here YouTube. Let's go ahead and play a non-copyright song, and let's see how the Lem10 performed. We have here a non-copyright music. You can see how everything works perfectly, even the full screen. You can watch videos like you watch in your phone normally without any problem at all. So now we are back. We saw the specification of both of them, what they can do, what they are capable of, so we know what we are dealing with. The good thing immediately that it is between them, the Lem10 is Android, we can download stuff, and in the T-Rex we can't. So you saw we have YouTube, Instagram and other stuff that we downloaded. In the T-Rex we can't do that. But we have a very good side in the T-Rex. We have 20 days battery, which is insane. In the Lem10 the battery will last mostly 2 or 3 days. The T-Rex is water resistant. It has built-in GPS and other stuff for outdoor activities like compass and sport modes. We have sports in the Lemfo Lem10, but as you can see, the T-Rex is more practical for daily using, as I said before in other videos. But honestly, they both are pretty good, but for daily using, the Amazfit T-Rex is much better. I will choose for myself the T-Rex, and comment down below what will you choose, T-Rex or Lemfo Lem10. Thank you very much for your time and support. hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.